Hi, my name is Ed West and I'm the principal of Shawnee Heights High School. At Shawnee Heights High School, this bond would provide updates to enhance learning and student opportunities. Renovations to the Family and Consumer Science and Robotics classrooms will modernize hands-on learning for students in these programs. The counseling suite will be renovated to give students more space and privacy when accessing support and guidance. Air conditioning will be added to the art room and north gym, making these spaces more comfortable all year round. A new auxiliary gym and stadium fieldhouse will support programs throughout the school day and the growing athletic and community events. Plans also include a kitchen addition and a replacement of the north and south parking lots to improve functionality and safety. These updates will expand learning opportunities, improve safety and comfort, and ensure Shawnee Heights High School will continue to serve our students and community well into the future. To learn more about the Shawnee Heights Bond proposal, visit our website at www.usd450.net.